just want to ask you one question because you are the producer of the movies, and for what do you choose to produce this movie particularly?
Um, it's a film where you have two very different worlds coming and meeting. It's a story of an ordinary person in a small town, and then a movie star comes into the town, and how the life changes. I always wonder, when I go to a small village in India and shoot a film, we just go, complete our work, and come back. But I think we do touch lives positively and negatively sometimes, and we never keep track of that. So this film is about coming of two different cultures, two different worlds. One is very real, um, yeah, very real and leading small little problems of life. One is very unreal, private jets, leather jackets, and looks very glamorous and happy. And when they come together, they say East is East, West is West, and never the two ends shall meet. But in case they did meet, what kind of relationship they could have? Is there possibility of some goodness coming out of this meeting? Is there a possibility of nothing new happening? It will never be the same kind of thing. So I like that whole two alien worlds coming together. That was the main thing that I liked. Then of course Irfan to play the lead role and Lara. I think they're both wonderful. And, I just felt like, I don't know, I produce films because I just at an instinct feel something nice about them. My company does. I just take the credit for it or discredit for it.
And do you think that it is a movie that European people could love? It is done for European people or not? Or it's just more for Indian people?
Oh, it's a universal story. And in this, the songs and dances are a little more realistic because a Hindi movie is being shot. So whenever you see a song or a dance, it is part of the shooting. So maybe it look more realistic. Oh, they're shooting a song. Doesn't start out of the blue. And whenever they see there's a song going on, when you see it, it's in the Hindi movie they're watching. So I think there is a little more reality. And if the European people like the concept of India to them, I think is very small town. They think India is very earthy and very real and very small town. They don't think of India as New York or London. So I think that so I think they would like it. They like the way this actress who's in a small dress now would look nice in a sari, and I think actually you're right. I think the Europeans, it may be a bit long for them. It's 2 hours with an interval.
3 hours.
This is a short film compared to what we like, but maybe I think even the songs, the way they come in, is quite in the background and things. So they will be able to like it. I think they will be able to like it. I never thought of it that way.
And as a producer, are you sensitive to the French market and the European market?
When I'm making a film?
Yes. You will think about it or not? Do you think that perhaps you can that the French market will buy the movie or not? Or?
No, I'm a little more of a creative producer. I'm not a business producer. And when I was making films, suddenly I'm told that Swades did well in France or Vizara did well in France. I never even thought people are going to like me in France. I never even thought they will, or in Spain. So I never thought of it like that. So I don't want to go into that and become a studio executive. I just want to tell a story. And I can't pronounce the name sometimes, Bernini from Italy, or I like Gerard Depardieu. I like the other gentleman also, fantastic actor, who was in Pink Panther.
Jean Reno.
Jean Reno. I see actors and I'm like, I really like them.
But in Spain you have a lot of friends,
but
more than ever.
So
you
you
like
don't,
about
you don't plan it like
Spanish
that.
people.
You just tell a story, and I'm sure if the story touches. When I go to see a movie, I'm not going to really see, oh, is it an Indian kind of a film? I just go and see an Almodovar film, and I'm like, hey, damn good story to hear. So I don't get into that. I'm sure if the story is nice, the French will like it. Everyone will like it. If it's not nice, nobody's going to like it.
But do you know that it's very difficult when we are in France or in Spain or to see Indian movies on big screen?
Yes.
We are
it's
just
just difficult.
DVD or it's very difficult.
Yeah, but it's good. At least it's beginning to be there in DVD. I'm sure 10 years ago, there was no DVD either.
It's
So
pirated DVD. It's not really legal DVD.
that I'm sure the distributors get disturbed about. Just secretly tell you, I'm happy if you get to see me more, whichever way. My parents used to tell me, if you love something, even if you have to be a little cheating about it,
Do it.
go ahead and do it.
And you play a superstar in Bilu. Is there any difference between Shahid Khan and Shah Rukh Khan? I mean, it's the
I'm
same
playing
person?
it. No, it's not the same at all.
No.
I'm playing it like the outside preconceived notion of a movie star. You know, a lot of bodyguards, dark glasses, leather jackets, helicopters, planes. And so I'm playing it like what people think a movie star would be, or
From
even in a
outside.
small way, what people think of movie stars. I'm not like this at all. No, I'm very simple and normal.
More
Yeah,
simple.
there's nothing like me in the film at all. I'm not like this at all.